going on, guys? Hoping you all are doing fine like I am here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in today's video, as you can see, I will be talking about how to make money using a blog. And in this video, I will be talking about 4 main important things. That is how to start a blog, how to get a niche for your blog, how to get traffic to your blog, and how to make money. So 4 very important things. I'll put the timestamps in the description so that you guys, in case you want to miss or to skip one of them, you can go to the timestamps and skip, okay? Yeah, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to begin with the first step, that is how to start your own blog. So for this one, you'll have 2 options. The first one is to create a blog using a web host, using another blogging platform. Or you have another option, the second option is to use your own website, okay? So both of these have their own ups and downs. For the one that is free, it's free to create. It's so easy. You don't pay anything. You can use sites like WordPress and blogging, and also we have Medium. There are so many. So you go download WordPress and then create your own profile and create your own name. For example, if I wanted to create my own my own blog on WordPress, I'll just go and have www.ankiki.wordpress.com. So you see the word WordPress has to be there. But if you decide the second option, which is to start your own website, you won't have that .wordpress. I would only have www.ankiki.com. So I think the second one is better. What do you guys think? But then now, if you want to create your own website, like the second one, ankiki.com, you'll have to pay. So you have to pay for 2 things. One, for domain name, that is your domain name. The name you'll decide to be www.something, and you'll also have to pay for web hosting. So you'll have to pay 2 times, but then you only pay once in a year, which I think is good. And the good thing with creating your own website is that it's easy to advertise on your own website. When you're using a web hosting platform, you cannot easily advertise there. It's so hard to put links and adverts in a web hosting platform. So the best way is to create a website, because you'll be able to advertise well. So let's go to the second thing, which is how to find a niche. So in case you don't know, a niche is something that you want to be posting. If it's political gossip, if it's entertainment, maybe celeb gossip. If you love fashion, you can put fashion there. If it's travel blog, whichever kind of thing you want. If it's a business tips, business idea, tutorials for anything, that will be your niche. So if you want to earn more money with a blog, you need to find one specific niche and then focus on it. And the good thing is that whichever niche you choose, you cannot lack content for that. I have seen people do so many things. Like these days, there are so many options. So you need to have a blog niche. How to bring traffic to your blog, because now you want people to view your blog, to you want to have readers or viewers coming to read whatever you've written. The first easy way to bring traffic to your blog is to put links on social media. So once you type everything, you can go to your Facebook and then put the link there. Create a post, a small post with your photo and a little caption, and then the link to the blog. That's one way of making people to click the link. You can also go to Instagram, do the same, or even on your Instagram bio, add the link. You can put your link in WhatsApp groups, all those social media platforms that you have. Put links there so that when people come to your page, they can click the link directly to your blog. That one is the easiest way. Another way is to write searchable content. You post what many people are searching. Make sure that the title of that content is something that people are searching for. For example, if it's a cooking blog, you can write how to make chapatis, how to make rice, how to make, don't try it at this is the best rice in the world. No. Make sure your titles are searchable. Another way to bring people to your blog is to create viral content or content that is trending. For example, that's how entertainment bloggers thrive. Like, if there is a scandal going on about a celebrity, be the first one to post. If it's a political whatever, be the first one to post. If it's something like, if you're a cooking channel and people have been searching how to make samosas, be among the first ones to post. Yeah, that is viral content. It's likely to go viral because many people are searching that. Another way to make people to come to your blog is to connect with the other bloggers, because they are going to be referring you or mentioning you. Yeah, that's how people actually bring people to their blogs. So let's talk about the fourth and the last way. How to make money. Now, after you've created your blog, you've searched for people and everything, now it's time to make money. So there are so many ways you can make money if you're a blogger. The first one is use of affiliate links. This one is the best. Actually, here on YouTube, people put affiliate links, but the best place for me, I believe, to make money with affiliate is through blogging. So, for example, if you're in the fashion industry, after you've given people tips on how to dress well, blah, 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 and everything, you can put a link now to everything that you've used. For example, if you want a sleeveless top, you can buy it here. Once somebody clicks that link and buys an item, you get a commission. Yeah, whichever niche that you choose, you can always put links to your affiliate. Make sure you have a profile on Amazon and all those sites for affiliate marketing. And then now put those links on your blog. Another way to make money on your blog is through Google AdSense. This one is the most automatic. So you put ads on your blog. This is why you need traffic to your blog. You put ads, everyone who clicks that ad, actually there are two ways to make money. So there is cost per click and cost per 1,000. So for cost per click, everyone who clicks that ad, you get to be paid. And then cost per 1,000, you get paid after 1,000 people click on ads. Yeah, you get paid by Google AdSense. The third way you can make money on a blog or through blogging is selling products on your blog. It doesn't matter which kind of products. You can even create your own shop, because once you have your own website, you're free to do whatever you want. So you can create your own, so you can sell your own products, your own merchandise, for example, t-shirts. You can even sell ebooks. It depends with the niche that you choose. So you can sell so many things on your blog. Another way is to create course, an online course on your blog. But then you can host it anywhere. You can choose to host it on your blog, or you can choose to host it on other sites like Udemy, but then advertise it on your blog. So it all depends with the niche that you're in. If your niche requires more information, creating an online course will be the best for you. Like, you'll make so much money with it. Another way to make money in a blog is through advertising content or doing sponsored content. So a company may approach you to blog about them, or to mention them, or to give a little information or detail about them, and then you get paid. Yeah, so those are the major ways you can make money on a blog, but there are so many others. Those are the ones I believe are easy for beginners to make money. So I hope this video was useful, guys. In case you have any questions, comment down below. I'll definitely be answering them. As always, guys, remember to like this video and subscribe if you haven't, so that we can see you guys in tomorrow's video. Until tomorrow, guys, bye bye.